I'm going to show you an oil pastel blending technique that you can use if you want to work in the drawing studio. So the first thing you're going to need to get are 2 pieces of paper, drawing paper, and I've cut them each in half. So if you just get one regular size and cut it in half, and then get any oil pastels that you would like to use. And one of these pieces of paper is going to be your scrap paper and the paper that you're going to be tearing with, and the other piece is going to be the piece you're actually making the artwork on. And if you notice, I have one of our painting placemats down underneath it just to kind of keep your table clean. So the first thing you're going to want to do is build up a thick layer of oil pastel down at the bottom edge of your scrap paper, your blending paper. And I'm just going to use some blue. Get a really thick layer right along the edge. And get ready to be wowed. Still get ready. I'm blending some white on top. Now I'm going to overlap this paper onto my artwork piece. And I'm going to take my blending finger and I'm going to pull the oil pastel down onto this bottom paper. Here I go. Now I could be making a landscape, or I could just be playing around with different layers of colors. I haven't quite decided yet. You could be thinking about different color combinations, maybe warm colors and cool colors in different areas, maybe complementary colors, and look, kind of maybe looks like water. So now I can take this scrap paper and rip off the blue and do a different layer. Maybe I would like to try some green. See what that looks like. So I'm going to color up green all along the bottom. And these are new oil pastels that I just got this year. They're fluorescents. So you could try these out. Just make sure if you use these that you put them right back into this box to keep them all together. I was going to layer a bit of a darker green on top. Different value of green. All right, so now I'm going to layer this here and pull down. If my finger's blue, which it is, I can wipe it off on my scrap paper above to try to clean it off. Or I can use a different finger to blend with. I'm going to pull down with the green. And when I take this off, kind of looks like hills. If I wanted to use the same sheet, I could kind of tilt it at a different angle. There's still a lot of oil pastel on here, so I can still blend more. Maybe I want to do it even more like this. This is so simple, and yet it gives this really impressive effect. Right? All right, so now if you wanted to do something, maybe like a sun or any sort of objects, you can get a pair of scissors and cut out a shape. Maybe if I just drew a little semicircle and cut that out, I can layer up the colors that I want. Do a little bit more around here. Place this and blend down. Oh, I still had some green in my finger. And blend down like that. And then, where's my little shape I cut out? Here, I can put some whatever color I want coming out from the sun along this shape. this down on top and blend the yellow off the sun to make sun rays. So I have my warm colors here, I've got my cool colors here. If you are working with complementary colors or analogous colors, those are all different things you could factor into the colors that you want to use. This is just an idea. You could use this technique to make anything at all. Enjoy!